Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Random Shishi. Today I'm going to show you how to put up a custom watch face on your Xiaomi Mi Band 4. If you like what you see, please consider subscribing and hitting that bell icon. First of all, open Play Store and search for Mi Band 4. Select and install this application. The link to the app is given in the description. Now open the app and give its required permissions. There are thousands of custom watch faces in this app. To apply a watch face, you have to click and select Install. After you click Install, your custom watch face should be transferred to the Mi Fit app. Now go to the Mi Fit app and select Band Displays. Your custom watch face should be there. You could also create your own custom watch faces. I'll cover that in an upcoming video. If you like what you saw and want more content like this, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.